My name is Kieran Griffin. I'm General Manager of 5-Star Auto Center in Rocklin, California. We're a locally owned and operated business. We run 8 lines of Ooma Office. We are a car wash, auto repair, lube, detail center. We employ between 50 and 65 people. We're also a green-friendly company. We have 612 solar panels. We run reclaimed water. We have biodegradable chemicals, and we're very active in our local community. We run the gamut of phone calls. We get, your normal, what are your hours, to, very specific phone calls about automotive repair. And we have to be able to field those calls and get to our suppliers and figure out what we're gonna have to do for that customer and get them quotes. And we're doing that throughout the day. We were with our local phone company and it was limited. We had issues because we had 4 lines. We have 8 phones with 4 lines. We take several phone calls every day, several phone calls at a time. And when we were locked up with a couple lines, we were left with just 2 lines or less to run this entire business. Our rep, Frank, came in and gave me the Ooma pitch, and I'm a tough cookie to crack, and it made sense. Saved us some money, gave us more productivity, the ability to get calls where we were missing them, the availability of the app to be able to pick up phone calls and receive faxes all from your phone. It made us a lot more accessible to our customer. We used to have a fax machine, and it was a big fax machine, and we would plug it into the wall when we wanted to send a fax and transmit the fax, and then unplug it to free up that phone line because we were limited with only 4 phone lines. And now, having Ooma Office, I don't have to worry about plugging or unplugging anything. I can also scan documents right from my phone and send them fax right over the phone if I need to. The voicemail to email is great. One, I'm not often at my desk. A company like this, we're on our feet, we're running around, we're operating when we're open. So getting the transmission to my email, which I have right on my phone, is fantastic. If I'm at home and I receive a voicemail, I can get it straight to my phone and I can handle it right then. So if I have an after hours emergency or an issue, I can handle it right then.